Hi guys! If you're planning to start welding or upgrade your tools, this video will guide you on how to choose the right welding equipment. When selecting welding machine,
Alright, so see you after the intro.
selecting welding machines and accessories, consider power availability, single-phase or three-phase, frequency of use, occasional repairs versus continuous production, material types and thicknesses, skill level of operator's budget, and long-term maintenance costs. For workshops handling multiple welding applications, investing in versatile welding machines that support MIG, TIG, and stick welding offers greater flexibility and long-term value. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop.